For this trip to Thailand, I bought my ferry tickets on day in Taiwan beforehand. Exchanging them at the ferry terminal was very simple and convenient, just show your voucher. Once you have your ticket, you can wait for the ferry. The staff will also help you find the right queue. After boarding, we visited Wat Arun, the Grand Palace, and Icon Siam. We originally planned to go to the riverside night market, but had to cancel due to heavy rain. The ferry tickets have a timetable, so you can wait for the ferry when it's almost time to leave, saving time. Also, just show your ticket, and the staff at each pier will tell you where to wait, so you don't have to worry about getting on the wrong ferry or going the wrong way. Plus, it's cheap, it's great value for just 3 stops, as you don't have to buy tickets for each stop individually. I highly recommend this option for anyone planning a trip to Thailand, it's very convenient. In the morning, while it was still cool and there were few people, I visited Wat Paknam and Wat Pha from Sathorn Pier, which is right near BTS Sapontikson station, and then took a 5-baht ferry to Wat Arun for a visit, finishing before noon. Since it gets hot during the day, I returned to the air-conditioned Icon Siam from the Wat Pha Pier for lunch and shopping, then went back to Sathorn Pier and took the BTS back to the hotel for a rest. In the evening, I went to Icon Siam. You can use it immediately after purchase, but when exchanging the ticket, you'll have to wait a bit for the ticket seller to confirm the QR code, order details. They'll bind the ferry ticket to a tourist brochure, which contains timetables for each terminal. However, except for the first ferry, there might be a minute or two of error, so it's recommended to arrive at the terminal early. You need to show this ticket to the ticket inspector every time you board. Upon arrival at the central pier, simply exchange your ticket at the counter for a 1-day pass. This pass allows unlimited rides at any pier on the same day, but please be mindful of the time. I visited Chinatown, N5 Pier, N13 Pier, and M Pier, a small shopping mall. W Pier is the famous Temple of Arun, Arun Wong Temple. Finally, I Pier is a magnificent department store. I've used up all my time here. Excellent value for money, highly recommended. This time, I bought a full set of sightseeing boat tickets for the Chao Phraya River, which stops at major attractions. I think if you just want to cruise the river, this is fine, but if you want to see more attractions, I suggest buying tickets for their other colored speedboat lines, which stop at every station, otherwise waiting for the boat will waste a lot of time. Simply show your booking page at the counter to redeem your ticket. You only need to show it when boarding or disembarking, no additional tickets are required, saving you a lot of time. The ship is very clean, and the air conditioning is super strong. The view from the top floor is amazing. A worthwhile sightseeing day pass that includes stops at most major attractions. Online ticket purchase saves you the hassle of buying tickets at each stop, valid immediately upon purchase. You will need to exchange the ticket for a physical ticket at the ticket counter. Buying tickets online costs only around 100 yuan, and you can break even after just 3 trips. The boat company staff are happy to solve any problems encountered while on the boat, making the river cruise a relaxed and enjoyable experience.